special funds were introduced to capture a new trend that had started. Any account or product that has to be offered by a commercial bank has to be approved by Central Bank of Kenya.
Okay.
The same way, any product that has to be offered by an investment bank has to be approved by Capital Markets Authority.
We want to invest in this, in this, in this, in this, in this. This is our plan. And they approve or disapprove or send you back and come back. So there is no two that can be the same.
Exactly.
Take video 2 in 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. You know, we didn't have a name for this, but I think I'll call this, the way he's calling this a conversation about special funds, this is a special CTA. Najibamba, I missed the camera. Anyway, we're having an amazing conversation about Oak Special Fund. I am an investor in Oak Special Fund, so I wanted to sit down with none other than Ian Kahangara, who's the Chief Investment Officer, as well as the Director Global Markets of Oak Special Funds. So, if you're catching us here, answer in the beginning. I promise it was so nice. That conversation about collective investment schemes, you've really demystified it. We talked about the four. We talked about, let's see if I'm learning, balanced funds. We talked about equity funds.
Yes.
We talked about fixed income funds.
Yes.
Or fixed funds, fixed income.
Yes.
And then we talked about MMFs.
Yes.
I'm learning. So you're saying there is a fifth one.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, there are more, but for purposes of today, I want to confine to one more. One more. In 2023, we had a bit of an update on the collective investment schemes regulations. And among the ones that were introduced is one called the special fund.
Okay.
Special funds were introduced to capture a new trend that had started. People are looking at not just the Kenyan space, because for many pension funds, insurance funds, and other funds have always looked at the Kenyan space only to invest.
Okay.
And funds and individuals were demanding. There was a hunger for investments outside Kenya.
I get
or
it.
multi-currency investments.
Multi-currency investments.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are saying that we don't want just to invest in Kenya shilling. We want to invest in dollars. We want to invest outside the country in various instruments. We've had this crazy thing. I know even in future maybe we'll be looking at Bitcoin. You said about cryptocurrency.
Yep.
That's where we are headed. Not yet under regulation, but that's where we are headed. So how could we house this as a CIS, as a collective investment scheme? So the investment schemes that were outside the scope of the traditional ones, they were first called the special funds. So this is a fund that actually invests in both the local, the same assets we are discussing about, fixed income, that is the government securities, cash and cash equivalents, so you're calling call deposits and fixed deposits, and also the local stocks.
Okay.
Outside this, they are looking at other securities. So they are looking at international securities or stocks. So you're
things
talking
like
about
Alphabet,
Meta, Nvidia, Tesla, and the rest. Such things. They are looking at other finance instruments like derivatives. So they're talking about options, futures, and such.
That is jargon, but we'll come back.
We are going to get into that. We are going to get into that. So they were classified as special funds, and the regulation came out in 2023.
Okay.
The good thing is by 2023, that's the same time we as FIDA Investment Bank were applying for something we call a FIDA Collective Investment Umbrella Fund.
This is what it sounds like to me. It sounds like the market, investors within the market were demanding from the regulator, and the regulator being Capital Markets Authority, a diversification or an opening for legally for them to be able to channel other opportunities outside the jurisdiction that CMA had allowed.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. You got it right. So when that one came out, we got an umbrella fund for FIDA, which actually now we captured the 4 funds.
Okay.
The 4 funds that we have, one is a money market fund. We got a license for a fixed income fund.
Sorry, again, I'll interrupt you a lot, but it's just so that there's a saying I have. Are we on the same ship, or are you on a canoe behind?
Yeah,
so I have to make sure we're on the same ship.
Yes.
So, FIDA Investment Bank
Yes.
applied to CMA
Yes.
for an umbrella fund.
Yes.
And by this, I think you're meaning, I'm just asking, more than one fund opportunities for them to begin investing in.
Yes,
Okay.
that's what happened.
Okay.
So under the funds, we got 4 funds, 2 being what I'll call the traditional funds. So one being a money market fund, the second one being a fixed income fund, and the other 2 being special funds.
Oh, okay.
So one of the special fund is Kenya shilling denominated, which we started last year, February 2024.
Okay.
And the other one, we started it this month, which is a USD special fund, or Oak Multi-Asset Special Fund, USD.
The one is Oak. Okay, very interesting, but let me stop here first. So what I'm hearing you say, actually, let me ask it, not how you say it. Is FIDA Investment Bank regulated by CMA?
Thank you for your question. I'll break it down to several levels. First, FIDA Investment Bank is an investment bank under the Capital Markets Authority, CMA.
Okay.
First, their license comes from there.
Yes.
Being a fully fledged investment bank with a brokerage license, so you can walk in there and say, I want to buy shares of this and this company, and they can assist you with that and charge you the brokerage fee as a FIDA investment bank. Further to that, they wanted to now bring this aspect of collective investment scheme.
They wanted this
A new
opportunity
product.
outside of what they were offering.
Yes,
Okay.
which is another product.
Yes, okay,
so
another
for
product.
any product, like even any commercial bank, for any product, you have to go back to a regulator and get approval.
So you, just because you're licensed, doesn't mean that you can just decide.
Exactly.
You need that product to also be licensed.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, that's what happened. If you look at the commercial banking area, any account or product that has to be offered by a commercial bank has to be approved by Central Bank of Kenya.
Okay.
The same way, any product that has to be offered by an investment bank has to be approved by Capital Markets Authority.
You said something so powerful. The regulator of the commercial bank is Central Bank
of Kenya.
of Kenya.
Yes.
The regulator of investment banks, because investment banks are not commercial banks.
Yes.
The regulator of investment banks is Capital Markets Authority.
Yes.
I know this sounds normal to you. Me, I could be in school. This guy's looking at me like, bro, si tuingie kazi, tuingie kwa.
Yeah. So what happened is after FIDA went and actually got this license, now there are already regulations just beyond seeking that this is a new product and guidelines on how to run this.
Okay.
And what is allowable and what is not allowable. The beauty about special funds, which I think may differ from maybe the MMFs and everything, is what the flexibility and what one can do with special funds.
Oh. Okay.
It's so much. It's massive.
Let me ask this. Hey, Ian, you're schooling me. You are schooling me. So, no two collective special funds, no two special funds are the same.
Exactly.
Because
You've hit the nail on the head.
you as FIDA Investment Bank, it's not a shop. You don't go to CMA and CMA says, Pewa, you do this, you do this, you do this. You come up with what it is you want to do, and then you go present to CMA. We want to invest in this, in this, in this, in this, in this. This is our plan. And they approve or disapprove or send you back and come back. So there is no two that can be the same.
Exactly. And one thing I would compare, I love cars, and I'll always ask, which is the best car?
Bro, Honda Fit, bon, have you seen that car?
I'll tend to differ. Why? It depends on what you want to do with the car.
Yes. It's
What's the purpose? So if someone wants luxury comfort on a smooth road,
Yeah.
they may choose which car? Some will say
The
Mercedes,
BMW.
or if you want speed, maybe BMW. If you want to go
Rolls
for
Royce.
Rhino Charge,
Yes. Okay.
will you go with a Mercedes?
Hell no.
Exactly. Which car will you go with?
Yeah, that's your world.
Yeah, that's maybe a Land Rover or something. The same thing goes with the CISs, especially the special funds. So when someone says there are various special funds, which is the best? The question is, what do you want?
It's like a restaurant.
What is your purpose? Exactly.
This restaurant is the best.
Yes.
But what are you looking for? Are you looking for pastries? Are you
Yes.
looking for dessert? Are you looking for,
Yes.
cuisine? What cuisine are you looking for? You get?
Exactly.
Okay.
Are we chasing returns? Are we chasing risk management? Are we chasing consistency? There's so much dynamic in how you structure special funds. And I believe because special funds are still new in the market, there are not so many, but in the next 5 years, actually black and white, you'll be able to tell this one focuses on this one focuses on this focuses on this, and people can invest based on their investment objectives.
So this is new in the market. You're telling me that the license approved by CMA was done in 2023?
Yes, actually it was 2023. By 2023, I believe there were 2 or only 3 licenses on special funds. And last year, this year, last year, 2024, one of another fund converted now or picked up their license as a special fund.
Oh, okay.
So literally on paper, we did not have special funds before 2023. However, there is a fund that was running that actually picked up the special fund license, but they fall under that category in always.
Okay, I get it. I get it.
Yes.
So now that I have understood what special funds is, I'm just going to ask a question, then we take a quick break here. So my question to you is, this sounds like it was a rigorous process. It's not a one-off, because you had to think what is it that we wanted to concentrate in, and then you had to present it.
Yes.
Actually, let's take a break. When we come back, hii story ni moto.
Yes.
We're going to jump in when we'll be back.